Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make beef biryani. And if you are new here, my name is Zainab and you are welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. For my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and support me. I really appreciate. So I'm going to try to make it step by step so we can understand how to make it, and it's not really difficult guys. So let's get into the video. Okay, first I'm going to be boiling meat separate, and we need 400 grams of beef meat and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 green cardamom seed. These are 3 bay leaves, half teaspoon of chili powder, cinnamon stick, and salt. Now just add meat in the pressure cooker if you have, and we're going to add the spices that I showed you. After adding the spices, we're going to add water, just enough water to cook your meat until it's tender. If you are using pressure cooker, just add about 3 glasses. And if you open your pot and find that meat is still hard, go ahead and add more water, but be careful, we don't want too much water to be left. Okay, now I already put my pot for boil. I'm going to be soaking my rice. This is the rice that I'm using. I would suggest you to use basmati rice for best result, but you can use any rice if you don't have basmati rice. Now I'm going to just wash the rice about 2 times to make sure I remove all the dust. Okay, the rice is clean and soaked. Now I'm going to cover and set aside. Okay guys, so our meat is tender. Now I'm going to just strain this water and set aside. Don't throw it away, we'll need later. Okay, now we're going to be preparing biryani sauce. We're adding half cup of oil in the pot, and I'm going to be adding onion. This is a 2 medium onion which I already cut. Now we're going to fry it until it's light golden. Okay guys, so onion is done. Now I'm going to be adding tomatoes, which is already prepared. It's 3 medium tomatoes. I'm going to add also the spices. So these are spices that we're going to be using: 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of meat spice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cumin powder about half tablespoon, half teaspoon of chili powder and chili paste. If you don't like too spicy, you don't need to add chili paste. Okay, so I'm going to be adding potatoes as well. This is optional. If you don't like potato in your biryani, you don't need to add. I just like potato in my rice. So this is a 2 potato which I cut in 8 pieces. And also I'm gonna be adding the soup which I strained from the meat earlier. Now we're going to cook this sauce for about 5 to 10 minutes until this tomato is nice and soft. Once the tomato is cooked, we're going to add half cup of plain yogurt, and we're going to continue cooking until the sauce becomes thick again. So this is how the sauce should be. There's no water anymore, as you can see, guys. Now just set aside. Okay, in other pot we're going to boil water. In this water we have to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 bay leaves, and we're going to add also a few star seeds, and cover. We're going to wait to boil. Now it's boiling. I'm going to add rice, which I already strained the water. Just give a good stir and do not cover, just let it cook. It's gonna take about 5 to 7 minutes because we don't want this rice to be too soft. Okay, just half done. Okay, the rice have been boiling for 7 minutes, and now I'm just checking if it's done. Once it's like break in 2 to 3 pieces, it's done. Just strain the water, and yeah. So I already strained the water from the rice. Now take a bowl or cup, add 1 teaspoon of food color and add water about half cup and mix it. Okay, set that aside and prepare the lemon and the fresh coriander. And this is how you should cut your lemon. Okay. Okay guys, now that we have everything ready here, as you can see, now we have to put it everything together in one pot. Okay, so add rice like I'm showing here, not all, about 1 or 2 cups, and we're going to add the food color like so. On top of that, we're going to add the sauce which we prepared with potatoes. Okay, now I'm gonna be adding few pieces of meat, and I'm gonna add fresh coriander. On top of that, few slices of lemon. Okay, we're going to repeat the process until we are done putting together. Okay, now that we're done, we're going to cover our pot and set the flame first. Okay guys, so the flame have to be very slow, and this is how it should be. Put your pot and you have to give steam the rice for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it's after 15 minutes. As you can see the steam coming out. So if you open your pot and the steam don't show like so, that's mean your rice is not done. You have to give more time, because remember when we mixed everything, the potato wasn't done and also the rice was half done. So giving steam is to allow the potato, giving steam is to allow the rice and other ingredient to get together and also to be well cooked. Okay, if that makes sense. So yeah guys, this is how it should be. It's ready to serve. That's it for today guys. If you did like, don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up. Please share this video with others and comment down below what you guys think about this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao ciao.